Hello, it's Miss Heather, piano and voice teacher here at Conservatory of the Ozarks. And I'm here today with... What's your name?
Mayank.
Mayank is learning how to play Twinkle Twinkle Little Star by color. Can you show me your right hand finger donut? You have a rounded knuckle? Nice and curved?
Yeah.
Alright, what color star do we need first? You see the first star?
Red.
Very good. Keep going.
I'm reading your accounts today.
Keep going. We have one more page. And then we have to repeat. You did the whole song. You better give yourself 2 thumbs up.
What is the white and black for? White, black, and pink for?
White, black, and pink?
Yeah.
You mean my outfit?
Yeah.
That's just the color I wore today. It doesn't mean anything. It's just
What's the black one for?
this is black and white polka dots, and this is a lavender sweater. It doesn't mean anything. It's just what I'm wearing. Just like you're wearing yellow. Yeah. It's a good day for yellow because it's so sunny. All right, give yourself 2 thumbs up. Great job today. Can you smile? With your 2 thumbs up? You gotta be so proud of yourself.